Hello, welcome to the channel Microwave Testing. Well, in this channel, we do not focus on the functional testing of your microwave oven in your kitchen. Instead, we focus on the so-called non-destructive testing of produced parts for defects, mechanical defects, which especially may be under the surface of these parts and cannot be seen visually. And in this channel Microwave Testing, we use microwaves for this non-destructive testing. And in this special video here, we describe the test of a special part for automobiles. If you are interested in this subject, then you are in the right place. In cars, often leaf springs are used. This especially holds for vans and off-road cars. Examples are pickup trucks. These leaf springs normally are made from steel, but to save weight, they often are also made from composite material. And this composite material is glass-fibre reinforced plastic, GFRP. The production cycle typically is 60 seconds for one such leaf spring. And each leaf spring has to be tested non-destructively for defects inside. And also this inspection has to be done within 60 seconds. Here we see such a test system for the microwave inspection of GFR leaf springs. The worker inserts such a leaf spring and starts the test. The test head moves over the leaf spring. Data acquisition takes place. The test head consists of 30 microwave transmitters on the top and 30 microwave receivers on the back side, on the low side of the test head. Data acquisition continues. Up to the end of the curved leaf spring, which is approximately more than 1 meter long. At the end, the leaf spring is taken out, data processing and is done by the computer, and first presentation of the results is done, and the new leaf spring, the second leaf spring inspection is started. Where the test head, which is the sensor, is automatically positioned perpendicular to this curved leaf spring. And in this case, after 2 minutes, the second leaf spring is also tested. The type of defects which has to be looked for are especially air voids and foreign material inclusions. You may ask, why can they be detected using microwaves? Well, the reason is that the material properties of these defects, for example, especially their so-called permittivity or dielectric constant, are different from that of the host material GFRP. Then at these places, wave scattering and wave attenuation occur, which results in the black-white images which we have seen. So far for today. See you next time. Meanwhile, when you want to see more on microwave testing, you may have a look at www.fitm.de. Goodbye.